the stream be
What up?
starting.
What's going on, guys? How are you guys doing today? Welcome to the live stream. Let me just set this up here so we can go live here on TikTok, of course. I hope everyone's having a great day today. And let's just set this up. And we should be ready to go. There we go. Let's see right here. But how are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments. How are you guys been? What you guys been up to? Thank you guys for coming to the live stream. It was a pleasure to have you guys on here. And let's get it started. Just trying to get the best angles here. So then we'll be ready to go. Scaled live rewards, okay. Not bad. Right? I think this should be good. Not bad. All right, that's good. All right, we are live. Let's go live here on Instagram, also on TikTok. All right, there we go. We are live everywhere. Welcome, guys. Thank you guys for coming to the live stream. Appreciate everyone on here. What's up, Fad? How you been, man? Yeah, guys, when I go live first on YouTube for like the first 2 minutes to, you know, make sure everything's running well, and then I go live on Instagram and TikTok, just so you guys know. But yeah, every time I go live, guys, just, you know, I'm gonna be going live on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Those are the big three that I'll be going live on. So thanks, guys, for coming. What's up, Diamond? How you guys been? What you guys been up to? What's up, Sniff? How you been? Yo, Lewis, you ever been to a mission BBQ? What do you mean by mission? But yeah, how you guys been? Bitcoin back on 98K. We'll take a look at the charts, take a look at the market. What's been going on here, right? What's been going on with the market this month? G Young Texas, what's up, man? Is the market going to pump? Got a lot of people on. Shout out to you guys on Instagram. You guys been killing it. Yeah, we're gonna be taking a look at the markets here. We'll see if we're gonna pump. We're starting to get a nice reversal to the upside, right? We're gonna zoom in here. I dropped 425K on the crash, and the buys already up 60K. Wow, look at that! Congrats! And I know this because he's the one that messaged me right on the crash. He messaged me. He told me he was gonna put in, you know, this crazy amount of money, but that's amazing. That is amazing. He's already up 60K, and it's not even like, you know, altcoins haven't even started moving big yet. Just imagine when altcoins start moving big, right, and start following Bitcoin to the upside. So shout out to Diamond. Amazing trades. Don't forget to take profits, of course. But again, this is why you guys want to wait for the crash. You want to buy the red. You want to buy the fear. Oversold, fear and greed index at fear. So yeah, that's great news. ETF is, what do you mean ETF is dead? You mean ETH? Or what are you talking about, ETF? Bontran, what's up, man? What's up, man? How you been? Mission BBQ is a restaurant. I'm hoping BTSG and Odin. Oh no, I never heard of that restaurant. Maybe they only have it around your area, but I never heard about it. You know what I mean? Yeah, but Bitcoin moving back. I'm pretty sure. Let's take a look here at Bitcoin dominance here before we look at anything. BTCD. Yeah, we can see we're in the 60s, right? I told you guys we were going in the 60s in BTC dominance, and look at that. So Bitcoin dominance, it's still on this uptrend. Now, do I think we're gonna top out for this? Yeah, we're gonna top out, but man, I mean, this is you know, we can definitely go higher. We went up to 64% on this recent crash, and you know, we can definitely go higher here. I would say the highest, obviously, if we do go higher here to the 2021 levels, I mean, honestly, I don't know if it's gonna go that high, but 71% was the top here. Well, actually 73% was the top here back in 2021, right? That was the highest Bitcoin dominance went before it peaked. You know, we might not go up that high, but we might come up here to, you know, maybe 67 or something, 65, and peak out there, right? So this is what I've been telling you guys, don't underestimate Bitcoin dominance. This is still in the uptrend, even though we had this huge pullback here. It was a fake out. You see that right there? It was a fake out to the downside, and you know, we started moving up. G Young Texas says, what's your opinion on this coin called Hood? It's Robinhood of Solana. Yeah, I've been looking at Hood. I think it's a great play. Well, we'll take a look at it here. I gotta go to Dex Screener, of course, to check it out. But let me go to Dex Screener here, opening the window. But I think it's a good risk on play. Of course, you don't want to go all in, right? Maybe a couple hundred or something, because it is a very risky, it's a lower cap coin, and these coins on Solana, you guys got to be careful with, that are being launched on Pump Fund and all that. I think it's a great idea to have an account just for that, just for Solana Pump Fund coins, right? And try to trade that. I mean, people make thousands, millions doing that, but it's not something you want to allocate a big portion of your portfolio, because you can definitely get wiped out, right? So I'll take a look at it here. I don't know why my computer's so laggy. I'm trying to search it. But we'll take a look at Hood. What do you think about Cookie DAO? What's the tag for? I'll take a look at it. Thoughts on ETH? I think ETH is a great buy, even right now. I think headed up. I think ETH is a great buy. Yeah, Hood. We'll take a look at Hood. Yeah, we're gonna take a look at it right now. Let's see how it's doing. Yeah, Hood. I mean, at the moment, it is dumping apparently. So you can see right here. All right, this is why you guys want to take profits when we were up here, right? I did take some profits up here, but you can see right here, this is a great time to take profits. We're definitely coming down here to the lows. So yeah, I mean, we dumped down here already, and we're starting to move down. So yeah, I mean, we're in this long-term downtrend. A big part of this was the market coming down. You know, this wasn't the best time here. Hood coming out, unfortunately. But I mean, this is a coin that can definitely recover, especially since they announced burns. I believe they announced burns. So, you know, once the market starts to pick up, it's definitely a coin that can recover with it, especially if they're, you know, burning a big amount of the supply. But yeah, you see, yeah, I do see $6 Cardano. Cookie, is it on Dex Tools? And sell targets on Doge, $1, $1.50, $2, $2.20. S Trader, what's up? Thank you, Sil. Thank you so much. But yeah, we're going up here on Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin, you know, we can zoom in here. We'll give you a forecast on Bitcoin. We can zoom in here. We can see if Bitcoin is starting to pivot here. Are we starting to pivot to the upside? You can see that right there. We can go into daily too, right? And we can see that we are, you know, we liquidated a lot of people over leverage here. And well, this looks like it's starting to a reversal here on the, you know, breaking out of this downtrend. As you can see right here, possibly looking like a bottom, or a boom boom. So there's a lot of buyers right here, and now we're starting to move up, and we broke out of this downtrend. So we might shoot up here to 100K, possibly, maybe even tomorrow. We'll see. right? So, you know, Bitcoin is looking good here. And of course, you know, Bitcoin moving up doesn't mean the whole market's going to move up. The market is lagging behind Bitcoin, right? So you're not going to see Ethereum right away shoot up. It's going to be lagging behind a little bit. It's still moving up slowly, but not as much as Bitcoin is right now. But I think ETH under 3K is a great deal, to be honest. You know, we can see that right there. And we are in a nice uptrend here for Ethereum, even though everyone thinks it's bearish. I'm bullish on ETH. So it's on Bybit. It's Cookie. Let me see if I can search it here. And we're going to take a look at all your coins, guys. Do not worry. We're going to take a look. Oh, I think I found it. I think it's this one, right? We're going to take a look at all your favorite coins. Cookie DAO. Yeah, there we go. I found it. This is it. So take a look at Cookie DAO. I can't send you SS until you accept the message. What do you mean? What do you mean backdoor? Yeah, I'm listening. Oh, okay, thanks. I'll take a look at it. I'll take a look at XCN too. Don't worry, guys. We're gonna be taking a look at all your favorite coins. Do not worry. So yeah, Cookie DAO. Again, be careful with these coins on Phantom, right? A lot of them come down big. But yeah, I mean, Cookie DAO's not looking that bad. It looks like we did retrace back here to our previous top, and now we're starting to get we see a big pump here, right? This is, I mean, this happens all the time. We top out here, we break through that. So this was the breakthrough right here. This was the breakthrough, and 9 times out of 10, it's gonna retrace down. And guess where it's gonna find the bottom? It's gonna find the bottom of the previous top level, which it did, and we're gonna start moving up. So it's looking good, but I would be careful. You know, I would not hold this trying to expect it to come back up here. You know, because what most likely will happen is it will come up and put in a higher low, right? Continuing a downtrend and possibly creating kind of like a, you know, asymmetrical pendant or something like that, right? Where it's like that, you know. And so, yeah, you know, you don't want to be holding this expecting it to go back to its highs anytime soon. But just my opinion. Just give you guys my honest opinion here on your favorite coins. Appreciate everyone on here. Thank you, Sil. Thank you for the roses. If you guys want to be a channel member, you could be a channel member on YouTube, also on TikTok. So definitely join. And join the free Telegram too, guys. We got over 1,000 people. What's up with Dogecoin? Dogecoin's doing great. Dogecoin's been doing pretty good here. Anytime. Okay, instant messages. Okay, I'll check it out. Yeah, Dogecoin's been holding up very well. We can see that right there. I mean, we wick down there. Man, if we get a closing here at that 0.38, that would be very bullish for Dogecoin. And it looks like it might do that. Right? I mean, we still have we still have 18 days basically here for this month. So I believe Dogecoin closing above or on the 0.38 for this month is bullish, right? And then we can start creating a bottom there and start moving to the upside. So I'm liking what Dogecoin is showing me. There's a lot of coins. I think this is a great time to buy coins that you guys might have missed out on, or coins that look bullish like Dogecoin's structure. This is a bullish structure, right? It's like a nice surrounding bottom here. So I do like how Dogecoin is looking. You give me some targets for superverse. Sure, we'll take a look at super. This is another coin I bought on the dip. Oh, well, not on the dip, on the crash, right? Super, I think super is a super buy right now. I think it's a great buy. You can see we had, you know, from the bear, it's the bear market lows was all the way down here, right, at 20 cents. Came as low as 8 cents, 20 cents, and then boom, it went super up, right? It went up here to 38 cents. You know, and it's still very high from its bear market lows. Now, do I think it'll come down here? Probably not. I mean, if it were to come down here, it would have came down on this crash, right? But it's been holding up very well. It's still possibly going to continue to, you know, continue this uptrend, putting in a higher low, right? So I think it's at its lows, and I'm happy I waited out on this coin. Like, I missed out on this coin, and you know, I'll smart off to wait out on it. Instead of buying it up here, right, in a double top, obviously I waited out, I was patient, and I did buy some in this range here. So I think Super looks great. I think right now is a great buy, not financial advice. And yeah, I mean, I think it's gonna break through this. It's gonna break through at 150 and possibly come to, you know, right here 216, 222. But you know, depending on where crypto gaming can go this bull market, this is a coin that can go double digits for sure. I mean, this can go to 10 bucks. You know, if it has a big big part in the crypto gaming space. So yeah. No, I didn't buy Gel Stool. I didn't buy it. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thanks for the shares. You guys been killing on Instagram and also on TikTok. Appreciate everyone on here. Yeah, XYO. Thoughts on Chainlink. Yeah, let me know if the guy, someone asked for XCN. Let me know if you're still here. I'll check out XCN. We'll check out XYO though. Let's see how XYO is doing here. I know this coin was a coin at a big pump. And yeah, I mean, it's looking great. We can see that right there. It's been holding that 0.38 like a beast, right? Right there. So, you know, XYO, if you close above that 0.38, which is around 17 cents, if you close above this, it's probably gonna have another leg higher to 0.26. Okay, it's doing everything right here. So at the moment, XYO is looking very bullish. It's been holding up well, even though, you know, we see this huge wick down here. There's a lot of buyers. That shows that there's a lot of buyers, and boom, right, we're back up here. So XYO looking very bullish. This is a beautiful recovery from the bear market, putting in higher highs, higher lows, right? That right there, and then boom, higher high, and then we're kind of flattening out here, which is normal, especially when you have a big crash. I mean, if this was a weak coin, we would have came back down here, but it didn't. So I'm liking XYO, holding up well. Is SHIB dead? SHIB, yeah, we'll take a look at SHIB. Before that, let's take a look at Chainlink. Someone asked for Chainlink. Yeah. I'm doing great, S Trader. How about you? I'll take a look at SHIB after Chainlink. We'll see if Shiba Inu is dead. Are you using OKX? So I don't use OKX because I don't think I can based on where I live. Can you send any messages on messages? Okay, I got you, man. I got you. Yeah, I'll just message you. I'll save your thing here. I'll message you after. Don't worry. I'll save your just comment in one of my videos in the comments so I remember your name. But yeah, Chainlink is looking great. So my opinion on Chainlink, I did buy some Chainlink on this crash. I did buy some. I think Chainlink is a great setup here. You can clearly see a beautiful setup here. Right, a nice rounding bottom here for a parabolic move. It's going to continue this parabolic rounding out, and you can see that on this crash, Chainlink came exactly to my Fibonacci level here at that 0.5, right? That 15. Wow, it actually hit 15 bucks. I thought it went to 17, but no, it went to 15 bucks on the crash. That 0.5 came back up. Most likely, by the end of this month, Chainlink is going to be above that 0.38, which brings it above 21. This is my opinion. By the end of February, we're going to come back up here. Even if we close out here in red, if we're above that 0.38, we're probably going to shoot up to 30 bucks sometime in March. Okay, might be sooner. I don't know. But Chainlink is looking very bullish. And again, guys, you might think Chainlink is super high, this and that. Doesn't matter. You want to buy coins that look like this, that have a nice bullish structure, and most likely is going to go it's going to go up. You don't want to buy coins that, you know, if Chainlink was still down here at 7 bucks, that means there's something wrong with the project. There's something fundamentally wrong. So there's a reason why Chainlink is up here and it looks good like this. So those are the coins you want to invest in. Yeah. Hi, what's up, Summer? Thanks for coming to the live stream. Aaron says, what's your thoughts on Shiba and XLM? Yeah, let's get to Shiba. Multiple people are asking me about Shiba. So we'll get to Shiba. You hold any Crow? Yes, I do. I hold Crow, Nate. That's another coin I've been buying. Crow. We'll take a look at Crow too. I think Crow is, look, here's my opinion on Crow. Crypto.com. If Crypto.com were to fail, they would have failed already. they would have felt in the bear market, like Celsius did, like, you know, BlockFi and so many exchanges went down. You know, crypto.com, they would have failed. Well, they didn't. They're one of the leaders here in America for exchanges, along with Coinbase. And, you know, America being the crypto capital of the world, possibly, it's going to be very good for crypto.com. So I'm bullish on Crow. So Shiba Inu, is Shiba Inu dead? Right? Is it dead? Based here on the charts. We'll take a look at the charts. Because we did have a big drop here for Shiba Inu. Right? And at some point it was looking like a cup and handle. But no, we actually came down even lower. Even though we didn't put in a lower low. Right? We didn't put in a lower low. But we, you know, we came as low as here under that the 618, and we're back above it. So that's a good sign. So at least for the monthly, you know, SHIB did have a big crash, but we're back above the 618, which is a good sign. You know, we're not hanging down here. We're not hanging down here, about to put in a new low down here. So this shows you there's a lot of buyers over here. This is a big point of control buy zone, and you can see why. You can see why. Well, because this was a big resistance level in the bear market. You see that? A lot of resistance right there. A lot of selling that brought SHIB lower. Well, now it's the opposite, right? Now it's a bull market. Everyone's freaking out, but it's a bull market. There's a lot of buying. There's a lot of buying that's moving the price to go back up. So, you know, you got to look at the charts like that. You want to take out emotion regarding where we are right now with a crash and all that, because everyone's fearful. But SHIB is looking good. It's not looking as strong as like Dogecoin, for example. Dogecoin is looking more bullish. Chainlink also. But technically, SHIB is it's still bullish. We're still in a nice uptrend. And I believe it's going to recover here. I mean, you can see, you know, SHIB doesn't have this parabolic move down here all the way to over here for no reason, right? It doesn't do that for no reason. So we did retrace back down, bounce off the 618, put in a lower high, but now, you know, we're possibly going to be in this pendant here until we break through it and do something like that. So I like SHIB. I like how it's looking, and it's definitely not dead in my opinion. How high do you think Crow will go? Some people reckon $3 to $5. How high do I think Crow will go? Crow knows. Let's take a look at Crow. Thank you, ZZ. XCN, yeah. We'll take a look at XCN injective ELO. Let's take a look here at Crow first. Someone asked for Crow here on Instagram. Let me see if I can find Crow here. Well, yeah, I think Crow's a great deal right now. It did come down. Wow, it came down hard. Crow came down hard. Back to 9. It actually went to 7 cents, and it's back here at 9 cents, holding that level. So you can see that. But you know, if Crow recovers, which I believe it will, and we really have a big bull market, you know, I don't believe it's just gonna go back to its all-time high, but you know, based on where it can top out, the Fibonacci here shows 2.27. So most likely the probability where it tops out is from 227 to 341. Right? I'm not saying it's gonna go to 341, but somewhere in this range here could be where it most likely will top out. So yeah, you know, 230 might be a good time to sell if we get up there. And you know, I'm pretty sure if Crow does get up there, it's gonna be a lot of euphoria in the market, and you're not gonna feel like selling. That's one thing I'll tell you. But you got it. This is why Fibonacci lets you be level-headed and lets you understand, okay, forget my emotions. When should I sell this based on Fibonacci? Thank you, Sil. Thank you so much for the gifts. You guys been killing it with the gifts. Appreciate it. Now on to XCN. You guys been asking for XCN. This is a coin we called out in the Telegram, which is 100% free. You guys can join. I posted this when it was right here. You can check out the dates. But man, this is a great coin, and you know, I haven't taken any profits on this coin, to be honest. Dolphin, what's up, Dolphin? Diamond says, if Crow goes to 97 cents, I'm extremely happy. Yeah, I believe it very well can. So Edge Max says, is the bull market over? No, I don't believe the bull run is over. So yeah, XCN is another coin along with XYO that's been holding up extremely well, right? And we can see here we're holding that 0.38 well here, right? We come down here below that 0.38, but it's holding this level here very well. So honestly, I think it's a great time to buy this coin on this dip. I might pick up some more at 0.30 2 cents right there, right? It went to as high as 5 cents. But you know what I believe will happen, a lot of times this happens here for coins that are bullish. What will happen here is you can zoom in here on the weekly. You know, we will most likely have like kind of like a bull, right? Either a bull flag. Either we'll have a bull flag, right? Or a descending wedge, which is, these are two bullish patterns, and then, you know, break out to the upside. This happens a lot for coins that are bullish after they have a big pump. So you might be in this pattern here for a little bit before moving to the upside. But what's bullish is it's been holding this 0.38 well. That's what's bullish. So I do like XCN here for the future. And I mean, this is a coin that can definitely go higher than 5 cents. You might see this at 10 cents. So yo, brother, killing as always. Can you check out EOS? Is it a wash? EOS, yeah. Dolphin, thank you for the compliments, man. Appreciate all the compliments. We'll check out EOS. See if it's how it's doing here, because it did come down to its swing low here, right? So it's a bottom right here from back in September, August. So look at that. If you missed out EOS back here, right on this bull flag, so this is a great example of a bull flag right here, right? This is a great example of a bull flag. We're just boom boom creating flag, and then boom, played out. Now we're getting a retest of that bull flag. So most likely we'll bounce off of this if we're bullish, right? We'll bounce off of that, creating a higher low. So I'm liking EOS right now. I think it's a good deal. Not financial advice. I'm liking it at this level. Could we get like a panic wick all the way down here to that 0.38? Sure, right? Which would be around exactly 30 cents. But I don't see us, you know, starting to change structure and closing above 30 cents. I don't see that happening. I believe we're going to continue this uptrend here for EOS. So I do like it. Mira, what's up, Mira? Summer says, when's your course coming out? Great question. Thanks, Summer. Thanks for asking. That's why I haven't been live lately, by the way, guys, because I've been working on a course. My first ever course. A lot of people, you guys, been asking for it. And this course, I revealed the name here for you guys. It's called the 8 Signals to Sell the Top. That's the name of the course. It's a course that's going to help you sell the top of this bull market, which I don't believe we're at the end of it yet. So I'll let you guys know it's going to come out the end of this month. I'm going to have a lot of good benefits here, along with a Sir Lewis cheat sheet right here. Look at this. This is part of the course. I just created this today. I use this all the time to look at patterns, divergences. So I'll let you guys know. Velo, yeah, we'll check out Velo. Toshi, Avax. Let's check them out. Let's see here. Velo. Let's check out Velo, see how it's looking. Wisdom. Yeah, man. I'll let you know when my course comes out, man. It'll be by the end of this month. I'm here in the United States, Raj. Rose. Guys, don't worry. I'm going to check out all your favorite coins. We got 100 people. Let's go. Let's go, guys. 100 people on TikTok. 44 people on YouTube. Guys, on YouTube, like the live stream. We only got 5 likes. But yeah, let's take a look here at Velo. By the way, the more times you guys like, the more Bitcoin pumps. Just wanted to let you guys know. But yeah, Velo is not looking bad. We're in this nice uptrend. We can see that right here. This is a nice uptrend here, but you know, you can see I'm saying? Yeah, I believe it's that, especially with this crash, you can see this huge wick back up. There's a lot of buying right there, right? So I believe we're going to continue this uptrend. And, you know, once we get here towards the peak, we might have a big dump, right? But then I believe we'll start to move up here, continue the uptrend. So Velo is on the right way up. This is a coin that you definitely want to buy here, because it's not at its bear market lows, right? It's not like it's struggling down here still. And we can see this is like it's like a harmonic pattern, you know. Let me see my, yeah, I mean, this looks exactly like a harmonic pattern we can see right here. It's playing out, but yeah, I mean, this looks great. We're putting in higher highs, higher lows, right? Most likely this is a higher low, and now we're starting to probably get a reversal to potentially put in a higher high, maybe this month, maybe towards the end of this month. So Velo's looking like a great deal. It's looking like a great deal right here. We got 109 people on TikTok. Thank you guys. No, it's 109. Thank you for the follows. What's my course's name? So my course is going to be called the 8 Signals to Sell the Top. That's the name of the course. This is a course made for this time period, which is selling the top. And I'm going to give you guys 8 signals. I'm going to go in depth. I'm going to spend like at least 20 to 30 minutes on each signal in the course and go in depth. And what you get with my course is you'll get 30 days free of using all my indicators, all my 8 indicators that I coded. One of them is this one right here, the log waves, right? So this is a great indicator for Bitcoin. You can see right here that in this indicator, Bitcoin tops out right there. Then right here, right, diminishing returns, but we get a double top right there. And mostly, I believe, you know, there's a reason why Bitcoin's been struggling here. You can see right here. Look at that. Based on my indicator, this was a heavy resistance here, but I don't believe that's the top. I believe Bitcoin will top out somewhere around here based on my indicator, you know. So it might be here, right, if we have diminishing return. So we'll see. But this is one of my indicators. You'll get 30 days free with my course. You'll get the Sir Lewis cheat sheet, which I made, which is this one right here. It's a cheat sheet that, man, I use this all the time. I've been using this all the time, and it's been amazing. Great opportunity. B3 coin just hit Coinbase. Toshi. How much is the course? I haven't come up with a price yet, but it should be out this the end of this month. That's why I haven't been live as much. If you guys notice, been working on it. I've been recording it, so I'll tell you the details, more of the details, as we get closer towards the end of the month. We'll take a look at Toshi, which before this crash, Toshi went up big, right? Getting listed on Coinbase. You know, it kind of sucks for Toshi because, you know, it went parabolic here, and then we had the crash, and now it's moving with the market. So this is not, you know, this is not Toshi. The fact that Toshi is bearish, it's just moving with the market coming down. So, you know, we're just having a retracement down here. And man, I mean, yeah, I mean, you would expect Toshi to come, and it can definitely still come down here. If we come down here to 00048, that's probably the bottom for Toshi, right? And we still can, right? I'm surprised it hasn't fallen down there yet. So it hasn't, you know, it hasn't been looking that bad. But we can still come down here to 0005, 00048 still for Toshi. Especially since we are here on the weekly. You know, we did come up here to overbought, so we're kind of resetting that weekly, right? So once the weekly gets down here, that might be the bottom here for Toshi. So you can see there's still some room to come down. Okay, so just my opinion on Toshi. Will you update us when you think we should all start taking majority profits in bull run? Yeah, and that's what, you know, I have, my Telegram is free. So join my Telegram. I do a lot of updates on there. So join the Telegram in the link. Can it be used for meme coins? What be used for meme coins? You're talking about my course? Yeah. Go. I have 90 bucks on my name. What should I do? Wait. You have 90 bucks to invest in crypto, or like, what do you mean? Or just 90 bucks in general? Arrow and Ondo. All right, let's check out Arrow and Ondo. I think someone else also asked for Ondo here, so we'll do Ondo first. Yeah, I'll do Ondo. Yeah. Yeah, Ondo. I think Ondo's been holding up well because it got some really bullish news, right? Does anyone know any of the details regarding Ondo's news? Well, I know one thing. Trump's been buying Ondo, right? So, I mean, what I see here for Ondo, you know, this looks like a nice rounding bottom. It looks like it's gonna do a rounding bottom here. You know, where we possibly, you know, look something like that, right? And it's kind of like a slow rise, but I think it's I mean, I think this is a great range here to buy Ondo because this was its previous top. And it's basically it's making it into a support. All right, we have a nice peak here. Now we're having a nice rounded bottom here, making this into a support. And this is what I say all the time, guys. The coins that when we break the previous high, right, just like we broke here, most people get euphoric and they don't think we can come back down. And guess what? 9 times out of 10 we do, and Ondo did. And we're still down here at its previous peak. We're making it into a support here. This definitely looks like a bottom, and most likely it's going to do something like that. So I think it's a great buy to buy Ondo. Looks very bullish. Ever since it was launched, Ondo looks extremely bullish. So dope. Thanks. Yeah, it's a rounding bottom. I mean, you have rounding bottom, rounding tops. Yeah, usually they come down and retest. Heather, what's up, Heather? Thanks for coming to the live stream. Appreciate everyone on here. We got 50 people on YouTube. Don't forget to like, guys. Just hit stop loss trying to short Ondo 2 hours ago. Be careful trying to short. You know, especially Ondo, you know, especially after a crash. You want to be careful trying to short after a crash. All right. Same thing with a pump. You want to be careful trying to long right after we have a big pump. But what you use to do a Fibonacci? What do you mean what I use? I just use Fibonacci on the, you know, just like that. I have my own settings. Aerodrome. Yeah, we'll check out Aerodrome. Let's see if it's a good time to buy Aerodrome. I know a lot of people missed out on this coin. And I still think Aerodrome it's going to be huge if you believe in base like I do. And we can see here Aerodrome actually coming down to the 618 here. Right, so Aerodrome is looking like a great buy. And what's crazy is that 618 was exactly, you know, this level here from its previous lows, right? So, you know, we spent 4 months here trying to break, and we did, and we're coming back down to basically make it into a support. And if we can, I mean, this is gonna be very bullish. We're putting in a higher high, higher low, possibly continue this uptrend. So I'm liking Aerodrome. I think it's a great buy. It's definitely a great buy. We went to, what was that, like $2.31. So $2.31 here back in December, all the way up there, and now we're coming down here. So if you missed out on Aerodrome, again, this is a great time to invest in coins that you guys might have missed out on, that you've been bullish, but you've been just procrastinating, you've been waiting. well, here's your crash, right? Here is your crash. This is where you got to take action. This is where you want to put emotions aside. And I know, I get it. It's fearful. Everyone's saying the bull market is over. Show us with different indicators, please. What is your YouTube channel? Just search up Sir Lewis on YouTube. What broker do I use? I use BTCC. I even have the link right here. If you guys want to join, you get a deposit bonus. But I use BTCC. Oh, TradingView. I'm on TradingView. My bad, Bebop. I'm using the TradingView application on the website. AVAX. The link is on my it's on my link bio. So right here, my link bio. BTCC. I think this is a great exchange if you're looking to trade. By the way, next live stream, I'll do like a live trading session, okay, with BTCC. So next live stream, I'll do a live trading session, leverage trading with BTCC. But if you guys want to get the big deposit bonus, it's the third link in my link bio. I don't know exactly how much it is, but you'll get a big deposit bonus. And it's, by the way, it's non-KYC. This is why I love it. It's non-KYC. You don't need a KYC. And it's up to like 100x leverage. So please be careful, guys. You know, use the copy trading first if you're going to try trading. Thanks for the follows. Yeah, definitely check it out. And again, use copy trading first. Test it out. Get a hang to it. When are you going to go live for that? Next live stream. So maybe not tomorrow, probably the next day. But next live stream, just put a notification on here or join the Telegram. I notify every time on the Telegram. I notify beforehand. I think Near is great for AI. So again, like as I was saying, guys, I think this crash is a great time to get into coins that you might have missed out on. So for example, let's say your portfolio, like right now, you want to look at your portfolio. And you want to say, okay, what do I not have any exposure to? Maybe you have no exposure to AI coins. Maybe you were like me. Maybe you had no exposure to crypto gaming. Right? So you want to look at those coins in that narrative and see which coins look like a great buy. So for me, I looked at, I wanted to get more into crypto gaming because I think crypto gaming is going to recover and it's going to be big. Well, I looked at Super. Super is looking super good, right? Because I missed out on it. It went to as high as, what was that, 2020. I missed out on it. I didn't buy it. Well, now I was patient and I was able to get it under 60 cents. It's at 71 cents. And I do believe it's a good, I believe it's going to hold this, right? So Super is one of those coins. That's a crypto gaming coin that I got into. Another one is IMX. So IMX, this coin had a big drop. It went to as high as 374.77. I didn't buy any, and I was happy. I was patient, and I was able to get it under $1. It's at 81 cents right now. So again, you want to get into coins that you believe are going to recover, and you want to get into narratives that you missed out on, or maybe you want to get more diversified in your portfolio, right? So just my opinion on the market. How is your Fibonacci say Chainlink will rise? For Chainlink, yeah, for Chainlink, price prediction for Chainlink, first target is 102, so I do believe Chainlink will go to $100. So from 102 to 134, 136, around there, big probability that that'll be the top for Chainlink. And then the 618, the most bullish price here for Chainlink, the highest top is 240 basically. Right, but most likely, again, you want to be taking profits here. You want to be selling here because we're not guaranteed 240 Chainlink. It's just the top here that I see. We do have a euphoric, very euphoric bull market. Yeah. Anytime, universal blessings. You got 40 people on YouTube. Don't forget to like, guys. VJ, thanks for coming to the live stream. How are you? I'm doing great. How are you? Let me know in the comments. Top for vchain. What is your Dogecoin exit price? Sure, we'll take a look at Dogecoin too. Let's take a look here for vchain for J Pizzle. You know, before that, let's take a look at AVAX. I know Spring's been asking for AVAX for a while, so we'll take a look at AVAX here first. So, yeah, AVAX. Look, as long as we close above that 618, as long as we close above 25, we're good here for AVAX. You know, this was a big drop, but it's not like AVAX put in a new low and broke structure here, right? Possibly putting in a lower high and then doing something like that. It's not looking like that, at least at the moment. Where we're still holding that 618, we're holding above it. We didn't put in a new low. So again, the closing is everything, guys, right? Because we can wick down here. We can wick down here on the monthly. But we can go back up and close at 30 bucks, right? And close higher. So AVAX is not looking bad. It did have a big drop, but I do believe it's coming down here to that 618 for one last time before we really start to bounce here, right? Just like we had the bounce right there. So if it is bearish, we'll put in a higher high right here, a lower high, and then break this level. If it's bearish, it'll do something like that, right? And that's a completely break of structure. But I don't believe it will do that. I think AVAX looks good here, especially since we're resetting that weekly, right? We are resetting that weekly. We haven't been this oversold on the weekly for AVAX since right here, since it was 17 bucks, right? Since it came down here to 17 bucks. So yeah, right there. Let's check out the next coin you guys got.
New subscriber.
Best N can do on your course is tree fitty. What do you said? What do you mean Boogeyman? Spring says thank you. You're the best. Thank you, Spring. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. But yeah, comment below what you guys been up to, what you guys been buying. Universal says, would you say take your original money out of the crypto and then leave whatever your end of profits is in, so you're not at risk of losing your original amount you put in eventually when you're looking to take profits? Yeah, I mean, you're talking about, yeah, I mean, if you're in a, you should have been recently, right? So if you put in, let's say you put in 10K and maybe like Dogecoin, right? We went to 40 cents and you're up like 2x or 3x. Maybe take out your initial, right? You're up 3 or 4x, take out your initial. That's what a lot of people did here. That's what smart money did here. And now we came down at the market and they have an opportunity to put that back in or just ride with their profits. I wouldn't say right now is that time because we're already so low, right? We came down. A lot of coins are overbought, oversold. But if you feel like your portfolio is if you feel very over leveraged, then yeah, it all depends on your portfolio and your situation. All the charts look horrible. Any coins you like right now? The Office reference. What happened with Dogecoin, dude? Dogecoin is still looking good. I mean, this is a coin that I like right now, Dogecoin. I still like Dogecoin. This chart's still very bullish. I think people are saying altcoins are canceled, guys, because people are just, you know, it happens all the time. You know, Bitcoin comes down. You know, when Bitcoin has a big crash like this, it resets the whole market. And, you know, obviously Bitcoin dominance is going to move up. So Bitcoin dominance is going to push up here because it's bringing all the altcoins down. And like I said, Bitcoin dominance is not done yet, guys. So you guys got to understand that we're still in this uptrend here for Bitcoin dominance. But looking here from the past, right, we come all the way up here, and when we start moving down, that's when altcoin season, right? Like for example, when did altcoin season, when did we peak out here in the bull market? It was right here, right? What was it? April 20, no, right here. April, no, not, yeah. Right here. April 2021. This was the peak, right? This was the peak of the bull market right here. April 2021. For Dogecoin, for a lot of coins, April 2021 was the peak, at least the first peak. This is how we looked here for Bitcoin dominance. So after, you know, we had a big drop in Bitcoin dominance. So you look at it right here, right? We're going to come up more probably. And then when we come down, that's probably going to be where the peak is. See that? So, and then the second peak was, what was it, like October 2021? So the second peak was right here. Second peak was right over here. November. Yeah, it was right here. That was the second peak. So yeah, we try to go back up here, Bitcoin moving up, and then we went back down. See that? So is Doge gonna make us rich? Depends how much you have in Dogecoin. Yeah, I was thinking to wait longer till my profits higher. Yeah, I think that's a great strategy. That's a great strategy to be less risking, you know, risking the market. And try to ladder out, right? How high do you think Avalanche will go? Well, Avalanche, I believe Avalanche will recover. Based on Fibonacci, it can go as high as 330, to be honest. So 331. Now the previous top was 147, right? 148. So Avalanche has everything to go to 330. I don't know about 462, but somewhere in this range, or at least somewhere in the 300s, I can see AVAX going up to. But Bitcoin at 97K. Let's check out some more coins. What coins you guys got for us? We got Bonk, Filecoin. Check out Bonk. Wow, 330. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's a possibility. Based on Fibonacci. Yeah, man, Bonk is holding on its dear life here in this range, but you know, you can see right here, Bonk is holding this level, and I mean, this is a level it must hold. You know, I'll be patient on Bonk. What I would do is, you know, we're starting to see that this most likely will be the bottom, so I would wait another week here. So we have the first week. You know, the past 3 weeks we've been putting in lows, right? Low. This fourth week we're trying to hold it. So I'll wait another 1 or 2 weeks and try to get a confirmation here, right? Where we kind of flatten out or start moving up. But yeah, Bonk is not, you know, it's had a big drop here for sure, but it's not looking the worst compared to other coins. H-bar. Let's take a look at H-bar. Take a look at H-bar here. See how it's doing. And you can see right here, H-bar kind of had a Adam and Eve bottom here, right? A lot of, you know, Bitcoin even had an Adam and Eve. And Adam and Eve is like, we have a sharp drop, right? And then we have a nice rounding out. So you see that right there happening for H bar. And on this drop, H bar came down to 0.38, but it's been back up. It's been holding up well. We can even go here in the weekly. We're resetting that weekly, right? So H bar, we were very overbought. Now we're starting to come down here with the weekly to reset near oversold. We don't have to go as low, but we can go down here. We still have some room here to come down for H bar possibly, but I believe it's gonna hold this point 38, right? We might come down here and flatten out on 20 cents. So I think 20 cents H bar is a good deal, but you know, I don't expect this coin to drop crazy low because this coin's been holding up well along with XRP and other coins. So, you know, don't expect H bar to drop all the way back down to 9 or 10 cents. It's been holding up very well, and it can very well reset its weekly holding 20 cents. So predictions are very accurate. Thank you, Taylor. You think Doge is hitting $1 this month? No, I don't believe this month, but definitely this year. I believe Dogecoin will hit $1 this year, but not this month, possibly. I mean, I think Doge can go back to 40 cents this month, you know, in the most bullish scenario, but, you know, we can have a big turnaround here, a big reversal, but definitely not $1. Yeah. Lewis, my man, you check ADA yet? ETF proposal. No, I haven't checked out Cardano yet. But wow, that's great. Cardano, possibly ETF for Cardano. Yeah, Spell. I've been buying a lot of Spell. Dia, I don't know about Dia, but I've been buying a lot of Spell. It's a great coin. People are saying altcoins are dead because, like I've been saying, Bitcoin comes down, it resets the whole market for Bitcoin dominance to go up. It doesn't mean altcoins are canceled. I got more AVAX than Chainlink. Should I have more AVAX? What do you think? I think both are great coins. Chainlink is probably safer, but no, I mean you can have a 50-50, to be honest. Is XRP going back up anytime soon? Take a look at XRP. Let's see what it's doing. Well, it's been holding it very well, right? It's been holding it very well here. Even on the weekly, you can see. And I mean, honestly, it kind of looks like a rising wedge, right? So we might have a move to the downside here, possibly, right? We have a big drop, right? It definitely looks like a rising wedge. So we might have a move here to the downside for XRP, possibly to 220 or something. But, you know, I don't see XRP going back down under $2 or so. I mean, if we have a big crash for Bitcoin going into 80Ks, possibly. But yeah, I mean, on the weekly, we're trying to reset that weekly too, right? We're coming down here on the weekly, so the momentum is looking like we're shifting down for XRP, but I would expect XRP to hold, you know, above $2. I really think AVAX will make huge moves this year. My top holding, really. That's awesome. AVAX is your top holding. I mean, it's a great coin, and I do think it will make some big moves too. I think AVAX $100 for sure this year or very soon. EOS, we got Render. Got a lot of coins here, guys. Don't worry. We're going to check out all your favorite coins. EOS looks kind of like, what was it, near that I checked out, or was it EOS? But yeah, I mean, EOS coming down here to its previous lows here from back. So look, if you missed out EOS back in September, right, October levels where it came down here, this is your opportunity. And you can see that, you know, the difference here is we are oversold. We're oversold here on the weekly. There's a lot of fear in the markets, and you know, we were coming down here. We had a big drop, oversold, right? So we can come down here, possibly make this a low, and then we can start moving up here, pivot to the upside. But we are oversold on EOS. We're at the September, October lows. I would wait you know, for confirmation, I'll wait a week or two. Even though if EOS moves up, it doesn't matter, right? You wait a week or two. You want to see some flattening out or moving up a little bit. That's your confirmation that most likely we have bottom. So, you know, you want to buy at the lows, right? You want to buy here instead of here. So this is your opportunity. You just want, like I said, maybe wait a week or two, just in case if it breaks through that, its next level is 20 cents. You see that? So that's why you want to wait, be patient a little bit. Anytime. Thank you guys for all the likes, for all the gifts. You guys been killing it. Thank you, Rick. Joya, thank you, Rick. Let's check out Render here. For Tom over on YouTube, to Instagram. Willie says, greetings, Mr. Sir Lewis. You're doing great. Keep on shining. I'm new to all this crypto stuff. I'm sure I can learn from you. Willie, welcome, man. Welcome. You're in the right place. If you're a beginner, if you're new to crypto, like Willie is, you guys are in the right place. Don't be afraid to ask any questions. Don't be afraid. And of course, join my free Telegram, which is 100% for free. The Telegram I created months back ago. And my goal is to make this the friendliest, best crypto community ever. And so far, we've been on the right track. We got over 1,000 people. It's 100% for free. And we can see we were very active here. So definitely join. Toshi, we'll check out Toshi. Yes, I appreciate your Alpha, Lewis. Been with you for over a year now. God bless you, man. Thank you, man. That's awesome. Greater is he, man. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with me for over a year. You're definitely an OG. And, you know, I appreciate everyone that's been on this journey. But I'm telling you guys, everyone that's in here, you guys are going to make life-changing money. Believe in it, okay? Believe in it. You guys will make life-changing money very, very soon. You just got to believe in it, and you got to make sure to execute, right? You can't forget to take profits, guys. So once you do, take those profits and be wise, right? Be wise with your money. So looking at Render. How's it going, bro? Do you see ICP recovering? If so, what's your prediction? We'll take a look at ICP too. Fetch. Toshi. Not yet. Not yet. Don't worry. We'll check out all your favorite coins, guys. Do not worry. Yeah, I mean, Render. It's kind of looking like a, you know, asymmetrical pendant, right? So you might be in this, right? Well, I mean, we're near the bottom here, so it might be a good buy for Render. We might move up, get a rejection here at $5, $6, move down, you know, until we break through it to the upside. But either way, Render's not looking that bad. I mean, we're basically, this level is where the all-time highs was for Render last bull market. So we're making this into a possible support. We just can't lose this, right? We can't come down here, close below it. If we do that, the next target for Render is 250. If we have another big crash here, right? 256. So, you know, we tagged this twice already. This most likely will be, you know, has everything to be a double bottom. But if we come back down again, lose that, we can definitely go to 260. Yeah. Let's see the next coin. Ask for a question. Pepe, what you still buying Pepe lows under 4 billion market cap as a steal? Pepe, let's see here. I mean, I've been buying other coins because I already have a good amount of Pepe, to be honest. But yeah, I mean, Pepe's not, it's not looking that bad. It's looking more bullish than Bonk is, to be honest. But we can see here. Right, we're back here at this big point of control level. We resetted that weekly stochastic. And yeah, I mean, we haven't been this oversold since right here. Right? Since this level right here. So even if we make this into a low, we're still continuing this nice uptrend here for Pepe, putting in a higher low and moving our way up here to the upside. So this is what I see for Pepe. I'm still bullish on Pepe, especially as a meme coin. It's looking great. And again, guys, things change fast in the crypto space. We can be down so much, and then the next month or two, we're like, boom, we're up here. You see what I'm saying? In just one candle. So again, you want to buy during the oversold, over fear levels during the bull market, especially the bull market. Thank you, Mike. I'm grateful too. Jasmine, or did you do that one already? No, I haven't done Jasmine. We'll do Filecoin. We'll do Filecoin next. Let's do it. Let's check out Filecoin. File. Yeah, guys, don't worry. I'm gonna check out all your favorite coins. So do not worry. Yeah, Filecoin looks horrible. Well, that's not Filecoin. My bad. That was some. Wait, there's another coin called File. Oh, that's Filestar. It has like the same tag. I mean, even with that, Filecoin still looks horrible. But I mean, I think Filecoin is a great example of a coin that it doesn't look good in the charts based on its tokenomics, right? A lot of coins that don't look good in the charts, a big reason is tokenomics. That's why tokenomics matter, right? It's just supply and demand. So I'm pretty sure 9 times out of 10 there's something wrong with its tokenomics, that they printed more in supply in the last bull market. Okay. And yeah, I mean, we're basically at bear market lows. I mean, did we put a new low? No, we came down here. You know, this is like 2023 lows here for Filecoin. So this is a coin you should be careful with. Like, you know, this is a coin that there really is no sign that this coin will recover. Because think about it. I mean, we're at 100K Bitcoin. We reached 100K plus Bitcoin. So many altcoins have moved up with the market for Bitcoin. And Filecoin tried to right here, but you know, the market came down. I mean, we came back down near the bear market levels. So we're still struggling in this range here for Filecoin. I'm not saying it won't recover, but it's not looking like a coin that's going to recover to its highs here, right, from the last bull market. So again, you want to be careful with coins like this, right? So like you compare a Filecoin to a coin like I mean, even, you know, Chainlink, for example. This is a more bullish structure where we're putting higher highs, higher lows. This is where the bear market lows was here for Chainlink, and where it's not like Chainlink is down here struggling, right? So I'm just giving you guys an example. But yeah, let's check out what were some of the coins I missed out on. When Ethereum moves, Pepe should go higher as well. Yeah, Pepe was gonna go higher when Ethereum moves because Pepe's a ETH based meme coin. So when the ETH starts to move, Pepe, Turbo, even Shiba Inu is gonna move big. All right, Jasmine, Pendle, Dogecoin. Let's do Pendle real quick. We'll do Pendle real quick. Pendle. Let's take a look here at Pendle. Yeah, I mean Pendle kind of looking like a double top here a little bit. Even though we're very oversold here on the weekly, right? So we did come down here oversold on the weekly. And yeah, I mean, we're holding this pretty well here. And we're starting to move up here. This is the third week after the crash, possibly. I mean, what do you want to watch out here for Pendle is as we start to pivot and move up here, right? And we're starting to move up here on the stochastic. You want to see if it gets rejected there, putting it in a higher low, right? If it does something like that, because we might be in this pendant before we really break out to the upside, right? So even though it's moving up here, it's most likely going to catch a rejection here and move down, but it cannot break this low, right? We cannot be putting in a new low here for Pendle. But yeah, I mean, it's not looking all that bad. It's been holding up well here. And ever since, right here, ever since 2023, it's been in this really beautiful uptrend. So it's not looking bad. I mean, it's not the most bullish looking chart, but you can see there's a lot of buying in this level here for Pendle. And I mean, this was exactly where it topped. I mean, you can see right here, it wicked all the way down here, and then we came back down. But then it was a lot of buying. And here we wick all the way back here, and then we're moving up. See, so yeah. And we might be in something like that. We might be in a pendant, right? We might be in something like this before we really break to the upside. So I'm liking how it's looking. Check out some more coins. Jasmine, Toshi. We'll check out Jasmine and then Toshi possibly. Yeah, so this is Jasmine. You can see. Cardano as well. Yeah, I mean, Jasmine. Honestly, I think Jasmine is gonna break out soon because it's kind of this descending wedge, right? A lot of times this is a pattern. We usually have a breakout, right? We're in this big descending wedge. Most likely will break out very soon. It's in my cheat sheet here. You guys can see. Very common pattern. In fact, we kind of had it right here, right? Boom. We broke up to the upside. So yeah, I mean, this is a bullish chart. We did have a big drop with the market, but if Jasmine was bearish, we would have probably lost this and been struggling here, right? We would have lost this, moved up here, got rejected, and done something like that. But we're still holding up. You know, we're still in this uptrend here for Jasmine and this nice recovery. So kind of like that, right? So yeah, I mean, I think Jasmine's a good buy. I do think, especially at the 618 levels right here. And we're very oversold. We're finally oversold here on the weekly. Last time we were this oversold, we were down here as well on the 618. So definitely liking Jasmine. Yeah, let's do ICP. Let's do ICP. Then we'll do Cardano. We got FTM. We got Sui. Thank you guys for the likes, for the follows. So what is this? ICP, man. ICP. We did come down here. It's kind of holding for its dear life, kind of, right? You can see right there. But yeah, I mean, it's I believe ICP has everything to hold this level because this was its previous top here, right? Big resistance level. So, do I believe IC? I mean, we're very oversold. But, let's see. Yeah, I mean, if there's a level here for ICP to start flattening out and moving up, it's this level. I would play it safe though, right? Let's say if I was looking to invest in ICP, I would wait at least 2 weeks, right? You can see this week we started green here. That's a good sign, right? So I'll wait this week. If we can close up green, and wait up next week if we can close up green as well, right? Even if we come up here, that's all fine. You're investing in ICP as it's a confirmed uptrend, possibly bottoming out here. Right? So you want to be patient. I'll wait at least a week or two, because if you buy in now, you know, we might lose this level, move to the downside here to under $7. Right, so I'll be patient with ICP. This is a big drop, but again, this is a big drop that has everything to be a higher low, right? So from the bottom, this could be a higher low here, and then we can kind of get, you know, kind of like an inverted head and shoulders, right? And as you guys know, inverted head and shoulders is a very bullish pattern, so we have a big breakout to the upside. So this is a scenario here for ICP on the bullish side. We can get an inverted head and shoulders. I don't know if you see it. We have the first shoulder, the head, right? Move up. We drop again, the shoulder, and then boom. So yeah. Anytime, Slick. What was the next coin? Cardano. Let's do a Toshi. Is the Toshi guy still here? Let me know if you're still here, Toshi. Oh yeah, FTM. My bad. FTM. I'm doing the ones that people are asking for first in that order. It's just fair. FTM top prediction. FTM, I mean, we might come up here to 7.58 to 10. Could be the top for FTM. All right, so that might be based on Fibonacci, 750 to 10. The most bullish scenario is 21. I don't think, I mean, there would have to be some big things happening for it to go up that high, but 7 to 10, I think it's a good deal. I think it's most likely the top. And man, FTM, it's having some big swings, right? We can see right here, even though it's having these big swings here, we're still in this uptrend, right? So it's not looking bearish at all. And if you missed out FTM at 126 here, 113, it's at 43 cents right now. Cardano, ADA, let's check out ADA. So you can see, I mean, ADA, for example, is looking more bullish. You know, we're not dropping all the way back down here. The big crash, we came down here to that 618, and then we bounced back up, and we're probably gonna close out somewhere around here. But I'm liking that ADA is back up here near its previous peak. This is a good sign. There's a lot of buying here for ADA. It's not like we're down here kind of struggling at the 618. So ADA's looking strong, right? To be honest. And you know, for the person that says, can ADA go to $6? Yeah, the top for ADA could be 646 all the way to 912. 620 breaks into 17, but most likely 6 to 9 to $10. So and if you look here on the weekly, you can see we're still coming down on the stochastic, so we might still have some space here for ADA to come down. But I like the fact that we're resetting the stochastic to oversold. This is a good sign, guys, because we were very overbought here the last couple months. You And if we do reset this, that leaves us for all this room to go up for the rest of the year. Very bullish. And last time we were oversold here, where we could possibly come down, was right here when Cardano was 34 cents before it did that pump. So, you know, I believe Cardano will continue this uptrend and this nice rounding out here, this parabolic move here to continue to go up. So I do like Cardano. We got Near, Fetch, XCN, The Graph, Sui. Refi, what's up, man? So I'm gonna try to do it in that order. Let's check out Near real quick. I think I already checked out this coin like 3 times. We'll take a look at it again. And like I said, if you guys missed out on the AI, on crypto gaming coins that blew off, this is that time, right? This is that time. Because, you know, like Near, for example, is this Near protocol? Yeah. We were at $8 Near. $8 back in December. And now we're at 319. So you can see Near, it had like a Adam and Eve bottom here, right? We have the sharp drop, a nice rounding out, a slow rounding out, and then to the upside. I mean, this is a classic Adam and Eve bottom. And here we can see, honestly, I believe Adam and Eve, I believe a Near is basically in this big bull flag, right? We have the flag and something like that. So we might be in this channel before we have that big breakout. So that's what I see for Near. Looks like a big bull flag here. So, you know, I believe once we come down here more on stochastic a little bit, you know, maybe wait a week or two, we start to flatten out, then we'll start to move to the upside. But I think it's a good deal, to be honest, not financial wise. We got some other coins. What was the next coin, guys? The graph, Sui. Let's check out the graph. I haven't checked out the graph in a minute. We'll take a look at it. Yeah, man. I mean, the graph, right? You can kind of see possible head and shoulders here that could play out, which is bearish, right? You can see something like that. We break that neckline, but I mean, we're holding that point 38, right? So we need to come back up here in the graph. I mean, we need to come up here and close above this previous top, right? Above 16 cents. If we can do that, I believe the graph should be fine. I mean, we're in this nice uptrend still. And a lot of coins look like this, right? A lot of coins are in this long-term uptrend, putting in higher lows and continuing this parabolic move here, right? Getting towards the end of the pennant, doing something like that. So I think the graph is a good deal. If you missed out on the graph when it came up here to, what is it? Came up to 49 cents. So it came to as high as 49 cents. We came down here. We tagged 10 cents, believe it or not, on the crash. But we're back above that 0.78. And I believe we'll close above here. I mean, especially if we close above here in the 618, very bullish. Very bullish. Look, if the graph comes back up here to 17, 18, 20 cents, that is very bullish because you're going to see this huge wick all the way back up here. And we're going to put in a higher low, continuing this strong uptrend. And the graph is not that far from that, right? It's still the beginning of February. Towards the end of February, we might recover back up. So that's what I would watch for the graph. But it looks pretty good. So, yeah. Let me know the next coin, guys. What do you have as nearest top? The top for Near. Let's check out the top for Near. Haven't done that yet. I want to go to Gate.io. Yeah, Gate.io. And it's funny because like you look at Near protocol, we're actually retesting that 618. So Near is at a big psychological level here, even based on Fibonacci. We're coming here to that 618. And I believe it will hold us. If we do, very bullish. We're probably going to get a big move to the upside. But as far as where Near can top out here based on Fibonacci, we have 48, right? 48 to 68 could be the possible. Most likely will be the possible top somewhere in that range. So it might be 50, 50 something. Right? I mean, the previous top for Near was 21 bucks. So 48, 68. The 618 brings Near to around 140. So this kind of gives you an idea on when to take maximum profits. What do you think about the new crypto coin, a mine of Pepe? I never heard of it. Is it where did it come out on? Solana? $40 is good. That's a 17x for me. That's awesome. 17x. Yeah, I mean 40, like I said, it can definitely hit. I mean, especially once the AI market, there's a lot of people saying that the AI is going to come back, come back bigger and stronger. I do believe so. I mean, Elon put an offer for OpenAI, I think today. So I mean, think about it. We have Trump calling us to be the capital, not of just crypto, but AI. You have Elon trying to buy OpenAI. We're gonna see a lot of big moves in AI this year. I believe so. I was buying Bitcoin Cash at 3K. Do you think it will get back up there? 3K. What is the BTC? What's Bitcoin Cash? Bitcoin Cash. Oh, BCH. Okay. BCH. We'll check out BCH. Boss, you're buying at 3K? No way. Don't tell me you bought Bitcoin Cash at 3K. I mean, that's literally the top here back in 2017. That's insane. I mean, honestly, I don't know if we'll come back up here to 3K, especially since the previous top was a lower high. Right? That's not a good sign. I'm not saying we can't, right? But you know, we definitely, the first step is breaking, you know, 1,600. We need to break that previous high and hold that strong before even trying to get back there. But you know, it's not looking bad. It's on the right move up. You know, we're not struggling down here in the bear market lows. So we are in this nice uptrend for Bitcoin Cash around 331.
New subscriber.
Pepe price target. Yeah, I mean, Pepe's kind of hard to do a price target because it's his first, you know, bull market. We can see it's been holding up very well here. But yeah, I mean, this is gonna be Pepe's first bull market. You know, you definitely have to look at the tokenomics. I mean, with that, even though Pepe is up a lot of X's, I think this coin can still give 5 to 10 X's still. Especially once ETH, we really haven't seen ETH start to take off. Right? So look at Maragaza chart. What coin is that? XCN. Quant. We'll check out Quant too. XCM's looking good, but it might come down lower, right? It's trying to hold that 0.38. XCM was actually up here. We started coming down here. Like, if we close above this, it's gonna be great. But you know, XCN, it's holding up well, but I would just, you know, I would just wait on this coin a little bit. If we lose this level, we can still come down here to 0.113. Right, we might come down this level, or at least this level here, 0.17. So just be patient with XCN. Usually coins have these big pumps. We come back, and then, you know, we start to move back up. Thank you, Summer. Thanks so much. You guys been great. We got so many likes so far. You guys been killing it. Bonk. XRP, what are your thoughts? Ethereum bullish target. Ethereum, I think Ethereum is a great buy. I think Ethereum looks great. I know a lot of people are bearish on ETH, but I mean, ETH technically is still in this uptrend, right? And I'm trying to let's see if we can find a pattern here for ETH, or in this decline, you know, this wedge here, this falling wedge. So I believe a matter of time, you see that right there, before ETH has a big breakout, right? Very oversold. When you have a falling wedge like this, it's only a matter of time before we have a big breakout to the upside, or something like that. So I'm bullish on ETH. I think it's going to break out very soon. It's very overbought, so we were finally here. We reset it at, you know, stochastic on the weekly for ETH, and we're still even on the monthly too, right? So, you know, ETH is not looking that bad. And in ETH also, the bear market, a lot of coins had a Adam and Eve pattern, right? We have like that. You can see ETH had a Adam and Eve pattern here play out too. Bear market. And I even believe Bitcoin too. Bitcoin had a Adam and Eve pattern. Sort of, right? Kind of. Not exactly. But, you know, a little bit. You can kind of see a little big drop, right? What was it like? Kind of a big drop, and then we had a nice rounding out to break up to the upside. So not as much as ETH, but you can see that right there. And then right here, right, for Bitcoin, we had a big bear flag right there that played out to the upside. Right, you get the measured move, perfect measured move. So you saw that played out right there for Bitcoin. I'm like the Doge in the back. Thank you, Summer. Litecoin hasn't even pumped yet. Yeah, Litecoin hasn't really pumped yet. It's looking like Litecoin's gonna pump a little bit. Yeah, I mean, when you start to see Litecoin at these levels, might be near the bear market, the bull market, right? At the end of the bull market, and we're still not there yet, right? Last two bull market cycles, Litecoin went to the same exact price level, above 300. I think it, yeah, even touched 400. So 400 Litecoin might be the signal to that the market has topped out, right? Might be. For example, back here in April, 400 Litecoin, that was the peak of the market in April 2017, right? December, that was the peak of the bull market. There you go. Solana price prediction targets. Yeah, Solana. Man, was Solana in a rising wedge, kind of? I mean, so Solana, I do think Solana has everything to go $600 plus, right? So you can see right here, 686 to 1,000. Most likely will be the peak for Solana. So I don't think 1,000 is far-fetched. And I definitely think Solana goes over 600. So 660. And again, it could peak out here at 800, 700. It could be lower than 1,000. But the 1,000 is still a possibility for Solana. But at least 600 plus, right? 688, 680. And Solana is one of the strongest coins, right? It's been doing a lot better than ETH here. You can even see here on the monthly, on the weekly, we're starting to get oversold for Solana. We had a bull flag that played out here for Solana, just like Bitcoin did, right? You can see that right there. Played out, boom, 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 to the upside. And again, all these patterns are in my cheat sheet right here. I have all the patterns right there. All the popular patterns. I just made this Sir Lewis cheat sheet this week. Yeah. What about XRP? XRP at 243. Yeah, I'll be careful with XRP short term, right? We might have like a, usually we have a big drop like this, and you know, XRP is in this, it's looking like a ascending wedge, right? We usually have a break to the downside. So we might have a move here to the downside for XRP, but it's been holding up extremely well. XRP hasn't been dumping here like the rest of the market, even though it came down here under 33 bucks. It's not like XRP came back down to like 130 or something. It's not like we came down here back to these lows. Right, so XRP's been holding up well. A lot of the ISO coins been holding up well. And thanks for the follows. Everyone that's new, thank you guys and welcome. You guys been killing it. Appreciate all the likes. Good morning. Hey, good morning, Pinku. Ethereum price prediction. My Ethereum price prediction. I'll give you a number. So, I mean, based on Fibonacci, the top for Ethereum would be around 8 to 950. Right. And I was kind of surprised because I thought Ethereum would go to like 15, 20K. But, I mean, the highs, the 618, right, brings it to 14,600. But most like the probability is 800 to 950, maybe 10K. But again, this is all situational. Right? You want to look at when Ethereum is up here, you want to look at the market, where we're at in the market, total market cap, Bitcoin. If you believe, you know, when Ethereum is up here at 10K, and you believe we're near the peak of the bull market because you're getting all these signals. This is why I'm making a course called the 8 signals, right? Then that's probably the top, and you should be selling in this level. If not, right, if it's still not the top of the bull market based on the signals, well, we can come up here to 15K each. So it's all situational. It depends on what's going on with the rest of the market. Yeah, not financial advice. I do. I think it's Ethereum is a great coin, not just to hold long term, but to stake it. If you're going to be holding ETH long term, you want to stake it. And same thing as Cardano. No, so that my cheat sheet is going to be part of my course. You'll get it with my course. It's right here. So my cheat sheet has divergences, has the most popular patterns, has trade setups here, has a bunch of stuff, but it's gonna be part of my course. And I might add it to my my Patreon or membership things in the future. Yeah, I do think this is a reaccumulation. The end of this month, it should be out. I've been actually recorded today, the intro and everything, but I should be having it out by the end of this month. And when it comes out, it's not gonna be like on the website or anything. You're gonna get it. It's gonna be a big file, right? So you're gonna get it. You can store in a USB. So, because you'll actually own it, right? You have it on USB. You'll get my cheat sheet. Some of the benefits will be you'll get my cheat sheet, which is this right here. You'll get my Fibonacci settings, right? My Fibonacci settings, which I use all the time. You're obviously gonna get timestamps, and you're gonna get 30 days of using all my indicators, all my my 8 indicators, right? This is one of them, log waves. 30 days for free. And you could, test them out, see which ones you like. So this is the log waves. This is a great indicator because it tells you here, right? You can see where Bitcoin topped out. And this is why we've been having a lot of rejection here, because you can see here based on my indicator, right? There's a lot of resistance here, but I don't think that's the peak. I think Bitcoin will top out somewhere around here, right? So this is just one of my indicators, one of my other indicators. Of course, the Fibonacci waves. This is based on Fibonacci. This indicator is a great indicator to buy the bear market lows here. Every time we're in the best times to buy, we're down here in the green, right? On the monthly. Even the COVID dip, we wicked down here in the green. And that's why you got to look at the charts, the facts, and you got to be able to take out your emotions. And, during that COVID dip, you're like, okay, we're down here. Maybe I should buy some. Maybe I should buy some 4K Bitcoin or, 5K Bitcoin. So this kind of gives you, keeps you level-headed. And again, look, next bear market, we're gonna be back here in the green, right? So this helps you understand where the bottom of the bear market will be. So this is another indicator. Let me see some other indicators here. This is another indicator I love, the Pi cycle indicator. And this is why I believe we haven't topped out here for Bitcoin, because the Pi cycle indicator has been accurate the last 2 cycles. You can see right here, not even 2 cycles, all the cycles here. The Pi cycle indicator is just these 2 MAs that every time they get close to each other, right? Every time they tighten up, it signals the Pi cycle top right there, 2017, perfect. We widen out, best times to buy. And then boom, right there, right? We tighten out the top. We widen out, and you can see we still haven't really tightened up yet, but I believe we will. Once we start to tighten up for the Pi cycle indicator and do something like that, right? That'll probably be the top. Okay. This is another reason why I don't believe we have topped out yet. And yeah, you can see that right there. But yeah. But yeah, it's gonna be at the end of this month. I'll let you guys know for sure. Next live stream, guys, I'm definitely gonna do like a live stream trading using BTCC, my exchange. So stay tuned for that. But appreciate everyone that came on here. Thank you guys for the likes, for the hearts. You guys killed it today. I will be back live soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, love you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Shout out to you guys on YouTube and Instagram. Thank you all of you guys for coming, liking. I'll be live soon again, so stay tuned for that and my course coming out. So have a great time, guys. Peace.